Namaste Voyagers. Our practice today is called Restore Balance. What is it about? So the intention of this practice together is about bringing balance to our everyday life. And that's so important. And since we are very often in a sympathetic state, meaning we are in the fight and flight, we have a lot of energy that builds up in our body. And then it becomes very hard for us to slow down or to relax or to meditate, because when we are in the sympathetic state, we are in the survival. So the only thing that our body is able to do at that moment is to allow us to survive. And your body does this from a space of love. So the body would do everything it's necessary to support you so that you survive the threat which is manifested as stress, long to-do lists, maybe thoughts that becomes overwhelming for our body. And this short practice is a practice that contains somatic practices that will support you in activating the vagus nerve. So your vagus nerve is responsible in regulating your nervous system. So it's very important for us to have a very good vagal tone, which means that a good vagal tone will support you when you are in a state of, let's say, sympathetic in the fight and flight. It will be faster for you to come into regulation. Or maybe when you are in a state of shutdown, it will be faster for you to come in a state of regulation. There's nothing wrong in moving in between these states. The problem arises when we get stuck, when our life is just constantly in sympathetic, that we can't even stop, that we don't allow ourselves to rest. And we don't allow ourselves to rest because the body doesn't feel safe to rest. So we have practices, and this class today is about that will remind you that it's okay to slow down. So it will support you either to slowly move out of the shutdown state or to regulate from a sympathetic state within your nervous system. So I'm going to invite you to take a moment to sit down, to make yourself comfortable. And to allow the eyes to close. And to put a smile on your face. Take a deep inhale breath. And then sigh out. We're going to do another 2 deep inhale breath. And deep inhale breath. And bring forward an intention for your practice today. Your intention can be something like, I am at peace, I am balanced, relaxed, or whatever works for you. So just repeat your intention 3 times with feeling, with awareness. When you are ready, you can open your eyes, and we're going to orient ourselves. So orienting supports our body to regulate, to show our body that we are safe and that it's okay for us to regulate, to restore balance within us. So going to just gaze around. When we are in a state of sympathetic, usually we are just focused forward, so our eyes are just gazing straight ahead. So when we are just orienting ourselves, just gazing around, we are showing our body that it is safe for us, that we are safe, that there is no threat. And I just want to remind you that your body doesn't understand words, so it doesn't understand the verbal language. The body understands feelings, sensations, emotions. That's the language. And then back to center. Then bring the hands by your side. With your inhale, lift your right arm up. And exhale, stretch sideways, gaze up. And then inhale up. As you exhale, bend your elbow, bring your hands to your temple, your head down, gaze up to the left side. And inhale up. And then exhale, lower your right arm. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale up. Bend your left elbow, hands to your temples, and gently pull your head to the left shoulder and gaze up. And then inhale, and then gently exhale. Both arms rise as we inhale. And as you exhale, twist towards the right side. Left hand on your right knee, right hand behind you, straighten up as much as you can. Breathe long, deep breaths here. And then inhale, arms up. And then exhale, other side. And inhale, arms up. Exhale, hands back to the hearth. Bring the soles of the feet together, knees to the side. Shake your legs. As you're shaking the legs, we're going to add humming. So you're going to inhale through the nose and hum as you exhale. Last breath here. Just slow down, come to a pause. We're going to bring the right knee to your left foot. And we're bringing the right hand towards your left knee down to the ground. Left hand goes further back and we're twisting. Inhale here and exhale. See if you can take the breath down inside your belly as you inhale. So as the inhale, the belly expands, also the area of your lower back, the kidneys, chest. So using the full capacity of your lungs. And then as you exhale, the chest relaxes, belly pushes back. You can hold it here. If you want, you can go lower so you can come down on your forearms. And now very slowly come back up. And we're going to alternate. So bringing your left knee to your right foot, left hand to your right knee, and twist. So inhaling here and exhale. And again, if you prefer, you can lower down on your forearms. Then come back up. And again, cross your legs, sitting here. We're going with a breathwork practice. I'm going to take the box breath. So we're going to inhale to the count of 4. And then we're going to hold the breath to the count of 4. Exhale to the count of 4. Hold the breath to the count of 4. You can make it longer, so you can also hold for 5 or for 6, but we're going to inhale, hold, creating the box. Exhale, hold. Now, if the hold after the exhale, it feels too much for you, this breath retention, you just eliminate it and just go back with the inhale. So see what works better for you. Okay, if holding the breath is if the breath retention is too much, let go of it. So just close your eyes. I'm going to breathe together. I'm going to guide you to the count of 4. Inhale, 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold the breath, 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold the breath out, 1, 2, 3, 4. Inhale, 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold the breath in, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold it out, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold, 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold, 1, 2, 3, 4. Breathe normally. And just shaking the hands now and the arms. Shake, shake, shake. Shake. And if you prefer, I'm going to ask you to stand up. If you don't feel like standing up, you can remain seated. But we're just going to shake. So shaking. And lift your heels. Just shedding any excessive energy that is keeping you stuck. This is not allowing you to restore your balance. Just shake it all out. And as you inhale, lift the arms up. Inhale. Exhale, drop down. And a few breaths here together. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. One last breath. Inhale. Exhale. And rising up slowly. Taking a deep breath here. Feeling the earth beneath you. Thank you so much for practicing with me today. I hope you enjoyed this practice. Namaste.